Yes, it's beautiful fillet.
What's up, Sushi Lovers family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. That video is one of the most accessible video from all of my Sushi Lovers family. That is
How to cut salmon for sushi. I have here the three whole salmons. Other most important things is how to cure supermarket salmon for sushi and sashimi. That means the how we can make that's agricultural salmons as a sushi grade fish. So today I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna show you how to fillet whole salmons. First, second things I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna show you how to cut salmon for sushi. And the third and most important things is how to cure fish for sushi. Okay, that means how to prepare supermarket salmon as a sushi and sashimi.
I'm gonna teach you very step by step, so don't go away from this video. Okay, let's go.
Many minutes later.
Firstly, what kinds of tools you need? Okay, normally to fillet the salmons, I prefer to use the deva knife to carve the head and to fillet it. If you don't have the deva knife, you can use the normal chef knife also. That chef knife will be really good if you are a beginner. Okay, and this Anaziva knife I'm going to use to clean the belly bones and to take the skins. And you need the one tweezer, twin bones tweezer, and you need one small spoons to take the remaining meat in the middle bones. Okay, let's go. First of all, dry it and clean it very softly and gently, and try to clean all the belly part also. You will get lots of stuff from here. You should have the wet towel, or you can use the wet towel paper as well. To separate the head, I'm going to use the deva knife, so it will be easy. Firstly, when you are going to separate the head, you have to be careful from here to that side. Okay, that means we will cut like a V shape. Some people are cutting like directly from here, so that meat will go waste. From head we can make the dashi, we can make the stock, and we can make fried also. Separate the head. Okay, the V shape. Yes. Then flip other side. Once more again, I'll cut the head. Yes. Then here is the middle bones, main bones, so we have to be careful here. Yes, that is the head part. When you are grabbing the salmons, you have to use the paper or towel, so it will be easy. Like this, you can see here to grab it. Now I'll put like this way. To fillet, I'm going to use the chef knife, and when you are filleting the whole salmon, if you are putting something on downside, it will be easy and it cannot be sleepy, and it will be easy to work and handle it properly. Okay, now time to fillet it. You should see that main bones. Okay, I'm gonna put the knife here and I'm gonna fillet it, and you should have the one towel, or you can use the paper to here. When you are cutting, it should not come directly in your hands, so you cannot cut your fingers or hand. And when you are filleting, you should flap the belly like this with your thumb finger like this. Okay, then fillet it. That means it should be upper than middle bones, and try to take out as much as meat. Don't leave lots of meat in the bones. This part is the hardest part, from here to here. So I'll show you everything step by step. We'll go like this. That means we are making knife like this way and pressing a little bit as well. And also when you are pressing, the knife should be like this way. That means we are cutting more meat from the bones. You can see here. Yes. You can see here the fine. I think that is the dorsal fine, that is the pelvic fine. I have no idea about that one. Here will be a little bit hard. So when you are filleting from here, yes, I can feel it a bit hard here. From here to here, tail part. Here you can put the knife on the upper side from this fine. Yes. It's done. Yes, it's beautiful fillet. You can see here there isn't any lots of meat. Now we will use the spoons to take that meat. Other things is I will cut here, so it will be easy to secure. Look, yes, so we can grab easily. Yes, you can see here that is the beautiful fillet. When I'm filleting upper side fillet, I'm putting the knife like this way. so the meat cannot remain in the bones. But here I will put the knife a little bit upper side. Yes, and the knife will go here in between the middle bones and the meat. You can hear the sounds of breaking the bones from the meat. Then just put that side. What else here? That's fine. Yes, that is our middle bones. If your meat up and down, that means you are not filleting very well. Make the hole here so it will be easy to grab it. That is the another fillet. Now I'm going to use the spoons to take the meat from here. I'll take pin bones. When you're taking the pin bones, that is the important things. I'll use the knife here. You can hear the sound. So the pin bones will come a little bit upside, so it will be easy to take out. When you are taking the pin bones, you have to be mostly careful. That is the where is the drain is going at. For example, if I take this pin bones like this way, I can break the meat. I'll show you. Yes, here is the breaking the meat. You can see here. So you have to take the pin bones in the same direction of the drain. And you can pass your finger if there is remaining any kinds of pin bones. Here is remaining. Yes. Yeah, there isn't. You can secure like this way, so the meat will be go down and bones will come out. Yes. In the third step, we will break downs. That means which part of the salmons we can use for the what purpose of the sushi. For example, for the sushi, for the nigiri, for the sashimi. Normally, I love to say that is the sashimi part, that the sashimi line till here. From here to here, it will have lots of tender, to be a little bit more chewy, so we can make the tataki, we can use the seared sushi, and also you can use the from here to here nigiri sushi. But from here to here, just for the fried. So let's break down. I'll break in the half from here to here. Or if you have the bigger size of salmon, you can do one thing. You can separate three parts here, that side and that side. That means, for example, I'll tell the very secret things, okay? That tail part, we can use the nigiri, we can use the tataki, we can use inside the sushi roll or temaki. And the middle part, the belly part, we can use the gunkan sushi, or you can use the top of the dragon, or top of the sushi roll. In that part, we will use the sashimi. And from here, also we can use the nigiri and gunkan, that belly part. The belly part we'll call the saketoro. That means it will have lots of fatty things here. This is the little bit more medium sized salmon, so I'm gonna cut in the middle, downside from this point, okay? Yes, I separate it. Now time to clean the belly bones. To clean the belly bones, I love to use the Yanajiba knife, so I can use the long way. Secure the belly bones by your hands and clean with your knife, but try to take out as much as less meat from here. Yes. These fines I'm gonna cut from here. Yes. That is ready. Now time to take the skins. That is the most difficult part for the beginners. So I'm gonna teach you very easy way, okay? We have to take the skins with Kanto Biki or Kansai Biki. That means you want to take from that side or you want to take from that side. It's depend on you. I'm gonna use left to right, okay? That means we'll cut here a little bit to secure it. Then just a little bit cut here in slope way, like this way. That means the knife will be stay here in between meat and skins. So we will grab the skins and we'll pull there. Cut here. And also you can do knife like this way. That is the one of the hardest part, okay? Like this way. Or you can put knife in the same place and you can push the skins. You can push the skins. Yes. Okay, video is going on. Now I will take the skins from that side. Normally we can cut like here. We can separate the sashimi line and belly part. For example, from here. Yes. That means you can feel here. Still here, I'm not cutting the skins. Now I will slope my knife by this way and take this meat, okay? Don't cut the skins, just meat and slope your knife. Yes. That is our beautiful sashimi line. That part we can use for the gunkan, top of the sushi roll, for the nigiri sushi. Also done. Now that side, that is also done. Good. Here isn't any meat. Just leave it here. Take out. Yes, this is our beautiful belly part. That means that is the sashimi line. From the belly part, if you are taking 3 or 5 finger from here, that means that part we can use the gunkan sushi, and from the 4 finger, that means we can use for the nigiri sushi. I'll cut here, okay? That is the 3 or 4, 5 finger. That part we can use the gunkan, and that is the 3 or 4 finger. Yes, that will go inside the sushi roll. You can use the temaki, you can use with the fried sushi or top of the gunkans. Now we'll cut the nigiri from that side and gunkan from that side. The first one will go inside the sushi roll or top of the gunkans or temaki. It's depend on you. From here we can take the gunkan, 2 finger, like this. And from here we can use the nigiri. Here this part we can use the especially for the sashimi, and that part we can use for the nigiri also inside the sushi roll. That is the more tender meat. So I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna use for the inside the fried sushi, or we can use the tataki, top of the gunkans. We can use for the nigiri. Also that belly part we can use the gunkan, or you can use the 3 or 4 finger. You can use the nigiri. And also don't think the belly part we cannot use with the sashimi. Sashimi means the slice of raw fish. That means we can use that belly part also for the sashimi. Yes, this is how we can fillet salmons, and we can separate the every parts for the different kinds of sushi. Now the important things is how to cure, okay? That means how to prepare supermarket salmon as a sushi grade, how to make a sushi grade fish. I'll put all the things here. That is the sashimi part, that is the nigiri part. You don't need to break down nigiri and gunkans, but I just break down to show you. Here's the tail part. Now the important things to cure salmon is we'll use three ingredients. First is the salt. You can use the salt here, not only one side, both side, okay? If you have the fine salt, it will be good. Very softly and gently. I use the all around the salt very well. And now we can use the little bit table salt, table sugar, sorry. Very softly and gently. Both sides, okay? You can see the water is coming from this sesame line. Yes. I'm gonna wrap this and I'm going to put in the fridge almost 30 to 40 minutes, okay? Then after we will come back.
Many minutes later.
Finally, it happens 40 minutes almost. Let's see. You can see here the salmon is getting excess water. Now firstly I'll clean with tap water. Here's the icy cold water. Now I'm adding rice vinegar. Now I will wash these ones here. Yes, you can see the color and the tender is being very good. Nice, the shininess. Wow. Let's dry it. Now let's do the dry with the help of the towel paper. Now finally our salmon is cured. As you can see here, the color, its excess water is already gone away. Yes, that is the tail part. Wow, the shininess is very good, as you can see. Nothing is smelly. Good. Just I want to try. Wow, it's very good. Nice, different taste, textures, extra level of umami. Nice. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Next video, I'm gonna teach you how to cut properly nigiri, how to cut sashimi, how to cut gunkan, and how to cut neta of nigiri. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.